Time for ETH.
Yep, Ethereum. Once again, Ethereum is, excuse me, Ethereum is pretty much looking similar to BTC. Obviously, um, we had this monthly supply all the way back in March of 2022. Price then broke down. We were trading up, trading up, trading up, and then we finally broke market structure, pushed up again, and now we're sort of holding. This monthly supply is flip demand, so monthly resistance is flip demand, and now we're just moving sideways, similar to BTC. I mean, if you look at the BTC monthly chart, moving sideways on this flip level, pretty much the same thing for ETH. And then all-time highs are over here. Um, Go down to the weekly. You see the monthly demands there. Weekly range 4K to 2.8K. Range high, range low. Sort of just trading. We swept lows at this sort of mid range. And so price is kind of just, once again, being weird. There's not a lot of volume that's going on right now with ETH. I would say if price wicks into monthly demand, that would be a buy, ideally. I mean, that's pretty much all I can say for ETH. That would be a buy. I would want to get involved there, but I wouldn't really go down to any lower time frames. I mean, if you go down to the if you go down to the daily, you can see we swept this low, right? Sort of structure building here at the mid range, and then we had a breaking market structure, daily supply. Um, but I personally would just wait. I would have bids set at around anywhere from 3.2K to roughly 3K ish, something like that. That's all I have for ETH. What about you, Bitcoin Bear?
Yeah. You showing my screen now?
Yeah.
So I got the 12-hour. Hey guys, look, this was my daily range I had for ETH for a while. The lows, the high here, retested, came back down, tested these lows, ran these lows, and this is the perfect opportunity to buy. I mean, I'm a little bit of a gambler. And this is like a three tap situation that we have a one, two, three.
Oh yeah.
Came into the mid range or dragged in. We came here. This would have been a perfect buying opportunity. And then you know how we closed above the mid range and retested? Another boom. Remember, this was ETF approval news, so this is something you can't even predict. I mean, you just get into a trade hoping for another, go up here, but then you see this
Yeah.
biggest candle ever, I think, in history or something like that. But now we go to the 12-hour. We had this bullish market structure break. We came in here. You see, ran these highs. Once again, once you run the 12-hour highs, it's a good day to sell. We tested, and then, slowly, as you can see, we're not getting no bounces. And then we finally broke. And now we're in this bearish order block, which right now I know people are like, oh no, we're doing well, but until this is broken and giving me a bullish market structure break, I can't really tell you guys that this is still goodbye. To me, this is just a retest, and then we go down even. And then I kind of drew this 3 day order block. If things fail, I go, I said bids here to see if we ever get, because in crypto, there's one thing for sure. I mean, if you weren't around 2019, 2018 when BTC dumped,
Yeah.
it would give you a, a wick like this, but then you close like up here. It would
Yeah.
be generational dumps, like dumps that you're like already up 2x.
Yeah.
It's crazy
Immediately.
with the craziest wicks. But yeah, right now ETH is just. I mean, ETH is a bearish market structure, so
Yeah.
can't really. There's not much to say
Yeah.
until
We're in
I get
agreement with
bullish
that.
confirmation.
Yeah.
Mm.
Because yeah, that's pretty much what the daily, that breaking market structure. I mean, obviously the sweep of a low, but we're having these daily bearish order blocks, 12-hour bearish order blocks forming, and so just be cautious with longing because we are printing bearish market structure. So I would just wait
Perfect.
until price goes lower. But yeah, that looks good. That's pretty much all we have for ETH. Let's go over to
And
Sol.
and